Guys, today I'm going to do a short video of how I'm going to modify this whole actually this is just a part one of modification of this hobby engine toy. Okay, so I'm going to modify it into a Heng Long mechanics, be it the electronics, be it the transmitter receiver, as well as the chassis itself. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to unscrew this side, everything at the bottom here, and then the bottom hull, and then we're gonna go through a series of maybe modifications for this tank, leopard tank snow edition. Okay guys, so good news, we have actually managed to get this thing open, and we take a look at the internal electronics of this thing, which is at the bottom hull. Try to see if we can modify this thing. Okay, so basically we need to bring out this battery first. Let's confirm that it's working. Get the battery component out. Okay, and this is voila, that's the tank itself. Definitely modify this with Henglongs. Obviously, we just need to find the points of how we can bolt this screw in. Make sure the turret is moving correctly, position. Should be direct. Just take a look at the components here. We just press everything down first. Look at that. So take a look at this. This is the old version of this thing. Actually comes with very messy wiring, and they even use masking tape to actually bind everything together. This is the circuit board itself. Let me just, if I can zoom in, so you guys can do your own. So that's the board itself. Okay, speaker. In fact, it uses two boards. One is the main controller board. I believe this is for the motor itself. This is for the turret and the lighting itself. Okay, very straightforward. I'm not sure whether I want to go into detail of the components, but this is it. This is the motor itself. Let me just zoom in for you guys. Just the motor component. Pretty straightforward. So we are going to bring this in. Just zoom out for you. So right now we are in the midst of opening up the chassis, the gearbox. Actually, replace it with the Heng Long. So if you guys just join in, we are having quite some difficulty, some challenge here, trying to unscrew this screwdriver which has been worn out. So I take a look at the screw, which was quite chipped off. Was unable to screw as per normal, so I have to use a plier instead to actually remove the rivets away. So this is what it is, the tank chassis itself. So you can see that the chassis itself is quite been used and worn out by looking at how often the previous user was using it. So basically it's connected to a motherboard, which was controlling the motor itself. So with that, we are going to replace this with this Heng Long's original. What is about, if I found out, around $13 for one pair. We're going to replace it with this, and then hopefully we can get everything. So it actually comes that way. Okay. So actually, I'm not sure whether you can 3D print this. If you want to take a look at the dimensions, maybe you don't have to purchase and do a 3D print on it. Okay. And then that can save you a lot of time and money on it. So nowadays 3D prints is an in thing. The next thing is I need to just remove this away, get these components out of the way, and then remove the tracks, and then see where we can go from here. So look at that, the scotch tape has been in there. I don't know what's this. Okay, this thing has been quite old, maybe perhaps 1980s, quite long. So we have to remove all these things, get all the mud, or get the hot glue in there. Yeah, everything has been wired up, and see if I can get everything under there to be remove. Okay, good. So remove everything, motor, everything, get it all removed, and then we should be good to install and wait for the delivery of this the on off button, as well as there's the switch controller itself for the Henglong. So if you guys are new to my channel, maybe just tune in and see what we can progress on from there. So I'm gonna just let me just shift everything to the right hand side so you guys can see. So you just to take a look, let me just zoom in real quick. Okay, so the battery, the motor itself comes from this motherboard itself. So I can tell that oh, it's from here. It's from here. Okay. So once I remove this thing, it will actually isolate the tank components itself. The wire is from here as well, brown as well as the blue wire. So just to isolate it, just zoom in for you guys. Now it comes as a component itself. Yeah. So just like that, you just remove it. Yeah, then you got yourself the components removed from here. Like what I said earlier, everything comes in a set. Instead of Henglongs, it just comes in a 2 pair. Yeah, comes in a pair just like this. Okay, instead of them, they're using everything wired up in one whole set, which is can be a bit hassle when you want to modify it. But I'm not gonna do is that I'm just instead of remove everything, just gonna remove this, just that set. Okay, see if I can remove this just like that. With everything out of the way, let me just with everything out of the way, remove the stock engines. Okay, remove the stock engines. We're gonna put everything in, such as the components of this the tracks itself, which will be on the left, right. This one will be on the right side. So you have to put just like that, and you put in the screw it inside. Yeah. And then we can move on from there. Put the tracks on, screw everything in. Okay, actually when I purchased this, they included the screw reverse inside as well, so I can just help myself with it. So I will skip this video and then I'll see the final video about it. Okay, see you guys. Sure. Guys, so right where we left off, I actually printed this 3D print, this kind of like 12 by 7 plate, so I can actually mount it inside here. So let's just take a look. Let me just rotate sharply. Alright, so I'm gonna place this right in here, just snap it inside here. And so from that, I can actually mount this screw the bolts here right into here, and then get something on here to actually stick it here, maybe like a hot glue under there, and then we can just move on from there to actually mount on this, so it can actually be stabilized and not moving so much when it's moving. Alright, and I will just hot glue from now on. Okay guys, right now we're in the juncture of trying to see if we can get the whole of this switch part, which will be coming into here, which eventually hook up to this switch here. So hopefully everything will turn out well, and we try to see if we can check out this input for the AC power. So right now we're gonna snap off this cable, the switch cable, which is right here. The switch is at the bottom here. This is the switch cable itself. So I'm just zoom in real quick. Switch cable right here, connected to the battery. Then we're gonna snap it there off, just like so. Okay guys, finally get to actually connect TK 7.0 receiver as well as transmitter onto this hobby engine tank. So basically simple dimple. I'm just gonna connect a 7.4 volt battery, just like this, comes together with this battery. Okay, just connect it. I think so I just got it work because previously I wasn't able to actually bind the receiver. But now thankfully I got it to work. So let me just zoom in closely for you guys. Do look at other things, okay? Basically, don't look at other things. Connect the battery, bind the receiver. You can find the videos on the YouTube. There are plenty of useful videos on how to bind your tank, especially when it comes separately. The tank, the receiver as well as transmitter we purchased separately. But however, nonetheless, you can still bind that together so long it's the same model, such as mine is 7.0 transmitter as well as 7.0 receiver. So I'm gonna do is that I just got this normal switch. Look at that. Just got this normal switch on, and a slide switch on and off, connect to the channel 1. Okay, after that you just have to connect to the speaker. Okay, normal speaker, which is a Heng Long speaker, which has bought maybe about $7 during sale. Just switch it on. Okay, you can hear the sound. Okay, perhaps this has no battery. Connect to the battery for this. Connect to the battery. Okay, now let's power it up. Right. Okay, so right now I'm gonna teach you how to bind this tank. Okay, so what you need to do is switch on the tank. Okay, let's teach you how to bind the tank receiver 7.0 to the transmitter. Okay, switch on. Okay, and then you press this, and then press the hold button. So I'm going to teach you how to bind this transmitter to receiver. So what I need to do is switch on the tank. Okay, press the receiver up, press and hold this button and let go. You're done. All set. Okay, so before I go bind, so we're all ready and set to go. Cool, huh? The sound. Just zoom up for you guys. So this is a sound. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll work it up to ensure that everything is lined up and look completely good. Okay, it's all 7.0 in a hobby engine tank. Thank you for watching. Try see if we can get some smoke machine okay. Now what we're gonna do is that we are gonna find the connection for the turret, so I can make the turret shoot, or rather install some infrared, and then I can actually find this the turret moving up and down So let's see from here whether I can find the turret movement from there. Okay. Alright, that's my screwdriver. Guys, as you can see, I'm actually trying to see if I can open up all this and screw all these 6 joints, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then find whichever the turret is connected. You have to do it very slowly. You don't want to spoil the thread of the screws. That's more important. I'll be right back when I got everything out. Okay guys, so I found out inside a little bit quick fine tuning is that I found out that this wire is actually the servo, which actually where the turret turns up and down. So what I'm going to do is just connect to the channel 4, just turret up and down. So just put myself turret up and down channel 4, and then I turret left and right channel 3. Okay, so we will come back when I bolt everything together, and then we see how it's like. So this is as far as what it can go. Let's see. Let's see what it can do, man. Hey guys, this is as far the turret can move. So I'm gonna show you a quick sample and demo of how it's gonna work right now. Okay, so just switch it on and switch on my. Let's get the part right. Anyways, you guys know what is this thing for? Maybe you can let me know what's this for. What's the reason why you use it? It's fun here, but there's no recoil. Let me see if I can do a recoil right here. Okay, see you guys shortly. This was a quick update of my progress. So basically, I just purchased this off eBay. This is actually the timer connector with the switch, which is actually original Henglong switch with the timer connector, as well as the XH GST. So I did was a connector here, and then I intend to actually start to prep works for this the motor itself, the gearbox. So with that, let's take a look and see how far we can go from here. Let me just close the door real quick. So let me just switch it on for you guys, and then see how it goes. So actually, I want to show you guys that as you can see, we got to the stage whereby we actually successfully binded all this together, and then the LED front lights. So try to see whether the everything. Okay, so you see the periscope light. There's a periscope. So guys, actually I'm still quite new to this progress. Still early in the progress to show you guys how far I can go through. I've yet installed the smoke machine, and then maybe the turret to actually jerk. So everything's okay. Yeah, it's actually just missing the shooting one, the kind of shooting, that's all. So and then we got this moving, the gears moving, the parts moving here. We will actually sort it out shortly for this. So initially we actually I know that you guys want to say that I connected to the wrong one, but actually this is the right way to do it. This is the way whereby I actually purposely connect because the motor is actually moving in a direction, opposite direction. That's it. Yeah, that's it for my preparation right now. I'll keep you guys in touch for more updates after this video. So I just finished my tank, Leopard tank, upgraded from Hobby Engine. So this is the first demo run. Still shaky. Just need to adjust the sprockets once everything is turning well. Just like what it's supposed to do. Do a good job. Yeah, the sprocket just came off. Because I need to find the screen to actually fit. Cool, huh? I'll show you more video tomorrow. Welcome to my Hobby Engine scratch build, modified into Heng Long MFU. So this is the final product, or rather almost final, because initially I wanted to carry on with the smoke as well as the signal light at the back. So I just need to solder them on and make sure everything aligns properly and everything should be good. So without further ado, this is the trial of this Hobby Engine. So without further ado, let's switch it on. You guys see how it's like. So we have these two lights, which is a red color light, which comes from the stock Hobby Engine. I can guess what it's listing for. I'm not sure what is it for. So we're gonna switch it on. Okay. Forward as well. Section. And the traction. Nice and smooth because this is using a stock problems of moving forward. But like I said, moving left and right can be quite a challenge for it, because it's not running on the actual Henglong tracks. So take time forward. So that's about it. It's a final product. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.